Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about how you might choose which form to rewrite a sum or difference of trig functions in. So in the previous examples you've been given something like write 3 sin x minus 2 cos x in the form, and then the form you've been given is one of the 4 forms here at the bottom: r sin x plus alpha, r sin x minus alpha, r cos x plus alpha, or r cos x minus alpha. So which one do you choose? It's important to realise that it doesn't fundamentally matter. Whichever one you choose, you will be able to get 2 simultaneous equations in R and alpha and solve them. However, it's good style to choose one which allows you to find solutions to your simultaneous equations which have R is positive and alpha is an acute angle. And that's particularly true if you're a person who likes using the geometrical method for finding R and alpha, which is the one that I guess I recommend. So it's really about having to reflect a little bit on the addition formulae and which ones are going to work well. So if you write this one here, well, I'll give you a minute now if you pause the video and try and match up which of the 4 options below you would pair up with each of the 4, and then I'll run through the answers. So for the first one, it turns out the answer is actually r sin x minus alpha works very well. If you do that and you expand it, you'll be able to get r is the square root of 13, and alpha turns out to be inverse tan of 2/3. For the second one, you can use r cos x minus alpha. This fourth option here, that matches up very well. Alternatively, you can actually also use r sin x plus alpha. So it's kind of extraordinary, but you have a completely free choice here. You can use either and both will work. They'll both give you the same value of r, square root of 26, and then actually give you slightly different values of alpha, but either will work, and both functions can be equivalent to this one. So when you have a sum, you have 2 choices. And in fact, for number 3, you have exactly the same 2 choices, so I'm just going to copy that down there. And finally, for number 4, the one you would need if you wanted a positive value of r and an acute value of alpha would be to go for r cos x plus alpha, which is that one there. So there you have it.